you have been wondering that how are we going to make money? How am I going to make money from doing these things? What does it entail? What do I have to do? Now, as you already know, the currency of any country is not particularly always stable, especially when it is being exchanged for another currency. Let's say, for example, the Nigerian naira versus United States dollar. Now, a dollar would always be a dollar in the United States, but which is their legal tender, right? That is what they spend in the United States. But here in Nigeria, we spend the Nigerian naira, which is our legal tender. So it then means that whatever I'm going to buy, whatever transaction I'm going to do within Nigeria, I am expected to spend naira. But if I will be performing an international transaction, let's say for example, I travel to California for the holiday, right? It means that my naira would no longer be an acceptable legal tender. It means I have to exchange my naira for their own currency over there. And let's say, for example, the exchange rate over there is the official exchange rate for a naira to for a dollar to naira would be 460, right? Now, it then means that that is the official rate that the bank has given or that has given the currency. But then you cannot always go to the bank. You have to go to BDCs, Bureau de Change. That's what we'll call them, right? Now, you have to go to these people. Of course, these people are in business for profit, right? So it means that they are going to give you for, let's say, 470 at the 10 naira difference. Now, that 10 naira difference is where they make their own money from. Now, that is to explain how it is done over the counter, the OTC way of trading, which is not exactly how we will be trading, right? We will be doing all of our things virtually, right? So, how we will make money is from all those constant change in prices, which is usually measured in pips. That is how our money is going to be made. We do not have to buy any currency physically. We do not have to do anything physically. All that we have to do is going to be on our devices, right? We are just going to be buying and selling assets virtually without actually owning these things physically. We will be trading the difference between these currencies, as the currency is always fluctuating, it is never stable. And now, if it changes from 460 to 470 at the official exchange rate, then that is about a 10 naira exchange rate. But of course, providers will not give you for 470, they will probably give you like 475 or 480. Now, that's about 15 to 20 naira difference. Now, this is exactly where our own money coming from. These differences, when we trade them and sell them, as we go on further in the course, you will understand better what I mean by this. So, without further ado, see you in the next video.